What up, Nick from Fisherman Source? A little plug bag maintenance segment, if you will. People were asking how we take care of our plugs, especially wood plugs, custom wood plugs. I'm by no means thorough on how I take care of my gear, but I do take care of it. I fish a lot. I think if you're giving your plugs a bath after every outing, you're probably not fishing enough, but you can see kind of in this clip here how I wash down my stuff if I do take it all out of my bag or my plug box that's in my car. But really usually I just kind of, while the plugs are in here, I just open up all the pockets and just rinse it real good with a hose. Just make sure there's no sitting salt in there. Once a year maybe. See those residue. I do take this out and clean it with soap, as well as some of my tackle trays, but that's once a year. You just want to make sure that there's no long-term sitting salt on your stuff. You know, your plugs, the hook hangers will rust out, or that's kind of a thing to buy good quality stuff, but that's not going to happen quickly. Most of my plugs are, you know, they're not cheap, or they're made by friends of mine, so they mean a lot to me, and I catch a lot of fish with them, so I do take care of them. I change my hooks. You don't want, you know, rusty hooks sitting with other rusty hooks because it will rust everything else. Basically, open it up, take this out once a year, give it a rinse with some soap, and that's kind of good enough. Till next time, keep them tight. We'll see ya.